Hi, this is Jason. I'm showing off my breadboard for my Raccoon Toy. So the main system of operation is you push down the tail, it moves the arm up to make the raccoon look like he's eating his cookie, as well as moving his ear forward, or both ears forward. And that's to kind of simulate the idea of like maybe he's tilting his head forward to eat the cookie or just some excitement, right? Extra movement. So the way it works is when you push down this tail, it pulls on this pulley right here that is attached to this rack and pinion system. The rack right here and pinion here, which the pinion actuates the arm. The string continues upward and changes direction, so its movement will alternate. Instead of being a pull back or a pull down, this will create a pull forward, like this right here. So just to demonstrate again, kind of like this. And in my final design, I want this to be pulled back by a spring, as well as having a spring on the tail to help reset it into its standard position.